send them through the membrane. Yes, the cell membrane. Okay, thanks, bye. You can just take it.
Hey, so I just take whatever I want?
No, you can't take it out of the room, but you can take it. I'm good to go? Okay. No, it can't leave the room. It's too precious, okay? Just copy it down, take it, bye. Okay.
But Miss Gilman, why was the code backwards? So see how RNA is one single strand? RNA matches up with only one side of the DNA, the complementary base pairs. The DNA gets unzipped by an enzyme that leaves those base pairs free. The RNA comes in and matches up to it. But since it's the opposite side, the first strand of RNA is kind of like a mirror image. That's why the second strand of RNA, that tRNA, has to flip the code before it gets sent to the ribosome to make the protein so it matches its original DNA.